Hello everybody, I'm back again, this time with the C sharp minor scale, which is the relative minor of the E major scale. We're first going to have a look in this tutorial at the C sharp harmonic minor version, and we know that with the harmonic minors we are going to raise the 7th degree, meaning that if our accidentals are F sharp, C sharp, G sharp and D sharp, it means that I am actually going to raise the B from a B to a B sharp. In harmonically spelled, that means I'm actually playing C. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, give some feedback, as well as subscribe to my channel. It would be greatly appreciated. Let's get started with the 1 octave right and left. I'm going to start on C sharp. I'm going to use my second finger. Since it's a black key, I'm not going to use my thumb. And I'm going to play the following notes. 2, 3, 1 on E, 2, 3. Now I'm going to have 1 on A, because I'm going to skip all the way over to C. Coming back down the same way, 3, 2, 1. Ending on C sharp. For the left hand, starting with my third finger, because I want my thumb on E, 4 over, ending with my third over. So again, a scale that has a little bit of a different fingering, different feel in both hands. Coordination here will be key in order to succeed. Playing it hands together. 4 over. Thumb 2. Third fingers. There we have the 1 octave version of the scale. Moving on to 2 octaves, starting with my right hand. I'm going to copy and paste these fingers. But now I'm going to use my fourth in order to get my thumb to E in the second octave. A slight change again in the fingering when I get to my second octave. For the left hand, starting with third finger on C sharp, fourth finger over, skipping to C, there I have my left hand. Let's put these hands together. Fourth in the left, 2, 1, skipping to C, both thumbs on E, ending with our thirds. As I'm taking these exercises from Hanon, we need to remember we are going to play it 4 octaves with a repeat. Starting nice and low. thing you should realize when you play this scale is that sometimes it is easy to miscalculate the distances between the fingers. So when you practice, make sure that you focus on your stretching in between your fingers in order to hit the right notes so that you don't feel unstable on the keys. As an optional part, we will now be looking at the cadence for the C sharp harmonic minor. When we get to the bottom of the scale, ending on C sharp, we're going to come up to F sharp in the left, 1 octave, and we're going to have D sharp, A, and C sharp in the right. Now we're going to move up to G sharp in the left. We're going to have E, G sharp, and C sharp in the right. Finally, we're going to move down an octave in the left to G sharp. I'm going to have B sharp, which is C. I'm going to have F sharp, G sharp, and D sharp inside of the keys. And finally, I'm going to come up again to C sharp, and I'm going to have C sharp, E, G sharp, and C sharp. And that is the cadential progression for this scale. Please remember to check out the rest of the scales in the series as well. And thanks again for watching.